I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to change the world. I wanted to make it a better place. I was born in St. Paul, Minnesota. My parents divorced when I was about 4. My mother wanted to be an actress, and so one day we moved east. We spent some time in Spanish Harlem. I can remember seeing people selling drugs in the playground. My mother was biracial and looked white. She had been in a taxi cab. The taxi cab driver told her, "Oh, I apologize if the taxi smells bad, but there was a black person in it before you." And seeing my mother challenge these incidents taught me that that's what you do. You don't sit back quietly. You say something. There was never any question but that I would go to college. I wanted to go to Howard University Law School, and I wanted to be a civil rights lawyer. I was afraid my first year. I said, "Oh my goodness, am I going to flunk out it?" So I worked very, very hard, and I graduated #1 in my class. I came to Texas in 1969. I began to handle civil rights cases, and so I was in federal court on a regular basis. I never planned to be a federal judge. I recall my response was, "Are you kidding? I am 35, I'm a woman, I'm an African American." Being a federal judge changed my life in many ways. I was very hyper visible. I was assigned the case involving the dispute between the Vietnamese fishermen and the Ku Klux Klan. During the hearing, I took a recess and went into my chambers, and there was a letter, and in it were 4 bogus tickets to Africa, as well as a silhouette of an African American that was intended to be used as a bullseye. I really broke down because there were 4 tickets, one for my husband, one for me, but mostly one for each of my 2 children. I dabbed my eyes and went back into the courtroom and continued the trial. Sometimes these difficult experiences are the ones that best shape you, rather than the easy times. Find what it is that you are passionate about and just do it.